Assalamu alaikum. May peace and mercy and blessing be on all of you. This is Milon Ahmmed. I'm an English learner. Today I'm going to talk about the couple of qualities for learning speaking English. So the first one is fluency and the second one is accuracy. We have to ensure fluency as well as accuracy because when we speak then we need fluency but as well as we need accuracy. So that's why if you want to talk accurate English then you need grammar. So first of all I would like to talk about fluency, then I will talk about accuracy. As per my opinion, I think fluency, it doesn't mean that you have to talk about any topic high speedily or using high frequency word. It's not like that. If you can convey your message easily, even someone understands that what are you saying, what is your message, that's enough. That is the fluency. But if you can speak fastly, if you can use high frequency vocabulary, high frequency word, that's good. That's pretty good, but that's quite well. But that is not that you have to talk about every time high frequency word. Even your audience, they don't understand that what are you saying, and they don't get your point, your speech, your communication, there is no value. That's why fluency means you have to ensure that your speech, your communication actually understandable to the others. Fluency means if you clarify your message to your audience, that is enough. We have some misconceptions about fluency. So someone also thinks that fluency means you have to use high frequency word. It doesn't mean that you have to use high frequency word. But if you use simple word and someone's also understand that what are you saying, that's enough. Even you have to use some idiom, some phrase, some proverb, that it doesn't matter. If you can able to express your thought to others, to your audience, that's enough. That means fluency means to convey your message to others easily, and they can easily connect it with you. What are you saying? And you can communicate with others with smoothly and effectively. That's enough. That is means fluency. So I hope you understand that what is fluency. Fluency means you have to convey your message to others with easy way and someone will understand you. But if you use high frequency vocabulary, if you can speak high speedily, that's good. That's good. Some place it needs to speak fast, some place it needs to use high frequency vocabulary. Yes, I know that it's need, but that is not that you have to talk all time with someone. But if you talk with high frequency vocabulary or high speed, that time someone doesn't get what are you saying. Let's talk about accuracy. Accuracy means you have to talk correctly. So talking any topic correctly, it means accuracy. So if you make mistake, silly mistake, like if you don't add s or es with a verb after having a third person singular number in present indefinite tense, that time it is a great mistake. I think it's a, even this mistake actually not acceptable to others. That's why you have no chance to make mistake, this silly grammatical mistake. So that means accuracy. So accurate English is acceptable for everywhere. So you have to talk about accurately. So but as a second language learner, it's very tough. That's why we have to try to increase our fluency as well as our accuracy. That's why if you want to improve your accuracy, that time you have to study grammar, and grammar can help you to understand every sentence, how to make question, how to make sentence, how to make different types of complex sentence, and different types of sentence you can make if you know grammar well. That's why in terms of speaking you have to be accurate English by using grammatical rules. So even someone also said that there is no need to learn grammar speaking of English. But I'm also saying that if you want to speak accurately, correctly, that time you need grammar. So grammar is must. So but someone also say that without grammar it's, yes, I also agree with them. Even every English, every native speaker, they don't need grammar to speak because they also learn this language from their childhood, so they can speak without grammar. But as a second language speaker, you have to speak correctly. That time you need basic grammar. So I can say that if you want to improve your accurate speaking, that time you have to know grammar, you have to study grammar. Then grammar can help you to learn English accurately. So I hope you understand that why we need grammar to speak accurately and why we need to learn English accurately. There are a couple of qualities need to accurate speak in English. So I hope you understand that what should we do. So thanks for watching. Stay with us, stay connected, and practice more and more. At the end of my video, I can say repetition is the mother of skill. It also said by Tony Robbins. So you have to follow these rules. And I also said that practice makes a man perfect. So do practice and do improve your English. So okay, goodbye, assalamu alaikum.